Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Leze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to install and connect your WeChat with the Zhuanzhuan app. That is the app we are going to use to buy second-hand goods from China. Okay, but before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, hit on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to hold you by hand and teach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have interest to join my paid class. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have further interest as far as the business is concerned. Okay, so like I said earlier guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how you can install and connect your Zhuanzhuan app with your WeChat account. Now I want to believe that you have successfully downloaded the app. So when you have after you have successfully downloaded the app, so the next step to take is to see how you can install and run the app. So the first step you have to take is to make sure that you open your WeChat account. All right, so here is my WeChat account. So I'm going to make it on, make it active. So when you run your WeChat account, so you can now go to your download folder. You can see this is my WeChat account. Okay, now after you have successfully opened up your WeChat account, so you can now go back to where you have your download folder and run the Zhuanzhuan app. So here is my file manager. So you have to locate that from your phone. Okay, so I have to look for my download. Okay, this is the app right here already. You can see it's just about 104 MB. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on the app. So when you click on the app, this is how it's going to start installing. Okay, when you have something like this, there is nothing to worry about. Just click on settings, so you can just give access to the desktop. So here, just turn it on, allow from this access, allow. So that's that. Then you can go back to the app and continue your installation. Then the next thing you have to do here is to click on install. So it's going to prepare for the installation, just like what you see on the screen right here. All you have to do is to follow the step and the procedure I'm taking in the video, so you'll be able to get it done without any stress. So it's still installing. So you can see the app has been successfully installed on my phone. So the phone is trying to do the security scan. So after you have successfully installed it, next thing you have to do is to click on open. And it's open this way. All right, so at this point here, you have to click on here to continue. So here you may need to turn on your translator so that you'll be able to understand what is written right here. So I'm going to open my iDictionary right here. So if you have not yet installed iDictionary, all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download the iDictionary and get it installed. It is a free app, so it helps you to translate whatever Chinese to English language. So I'm going back to the app. Here we go. So we can just drag it all over the Chinese character, and then we see what is written there in English language. So we have to give permission. All right. So the next thing to do is to click on iDictionary. Then we make sure we turn it on from this point here. Then we click on OK. We are done. So this simply means that iDictionary is ready to be used. So we can exit from here and come back to the app. So here we can drag all over the app now and see what is written in Chinese character. Or better still, we can make use of iGlobal translation. Anyway, I think this is JPEG, so that is why we are unable to translate. So we can come this way, sweep this way, and here we should be able to translate here. Let's see. So global translation again. Anyway, so we click on this plus here and see what is sorry. Okay, let's get started from the black one here. I don't know why we are unable to translate this thing. Okay, so let's okay, it has been opened up. Okay, now sorry, so we don't need that. Okay, and close. Okay, we don't need all these things. They are just an advertisement, stuff like that. Now we have successfully logged into the app. You just have to follow the step I'm taking. It's not something difficult. Okay, now when you have successfully installed the app, this is make easy to access the app because we have our WeChat account already installed. Now, this is not the end. So we have to set up our profile. All you have to do is to click on this icon right here, this place here, to access your profile. That is when you will know that you have fully access to the website. So I'm going to click on it right away. So it opened up this way. Okay, you can see. Now we have been fully registered and access the app. So you can see the name is here already, which is written in Chinese character, and you can do different stuff here. You can change the name, you can edit your name. So let me translate some of the information we have where you see some zero there. You can see now we can translate what is written here. So this is just collect. Okay. What is written at the top here? So hello Kut. So that's just a name. You can edit all this stuff and change it to your name. Okay. So all these things are what we are going to do in the next tutorial. Okay. So this one here, open the world of transformation together to help the environment. Okay. So this is just your profile, and things you can do with your profile. A lot of things will be discussed in the future tutorial. I hope you guys try to understand how you can install and connect your WeChat with the Sayun Shayun app. So in the next video, I'm going to put you guys through step by step on how you can understand the app more better. Okay, I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.